You searched, how to buy shares of Rice Acquisition Corp 3. Rice Acquisition Corp 3 is a special purpose acquisition company listed on NASDAQ with the ticker KRSP. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will normally verify your account with the government ID and add funds to your balance before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker KRSP to locate Rice Acquisition Corp 3. Select the NASDAQ listing that matches the ticker to open the asset page. On the asset page, check the company summary and view the price chart to confirm it is a correct stock. Make sure the ticker displays KRSP and the exchange is NASDAQ. Click Invest or Buy. Select the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading reopens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. After the trade, your position will appear in the portfolio view. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to follow the same steps.